Okay, so we're reviewing the table lamp. Thank you all for watching the video. And right here, yes, we don't have a live model this time. I know you're saying what the hell, but hey, we have Tiffany here. Tiffany is here to help us. She's a helper. Yeah, like Santa's little helper. But yeah, it's not Halloween, but this is what I would bring out in Halloween, her and Chucky. But this is all I have right now. This is what I got.
We can do this the easy way or the hard way. It's really up to you.
Okay, so now that you heard from Tiffany, let's move on with the video. So here we are. Yes, we're talking about the table light or the table lamp, the dinner lamp. Oh yeah, shown right here. Yes, it's about 12 inches or about 18 inches, give or take. The dimensions are in the pamphlet, but yeah, it's about a foot long. It's not tall and bulky, and it's perfect for when you just want to use it on the go. On the back is the directions, the dimensions and everything. So if you want to look into all that good stuff, yes. Shows you every little thing about the lamp. It's lightweight. Oh yeah, just like a football. Yeah. Comes in the box. Amazon, comes really fast. Oh yeah. Don't throw the box like that though. Make sure you don't throw your lamp box with the lamp in it. All right, move our model out of the way. Yep. Come on, Tiffany. Yep, Tiffany, please. Just lay it down, calm down. So I gotta talk to her sometimes, you know. She gets, you know, a little belligerent. But I put her back in her place. Yep, make sure she's squared away. And it's a little blood on her dress, but it's okay. It's Halloween. Well, no, it's not Halloween right now, but that's her little outfit. Yeah, she's from the movies. We wipe away the evil spirits. She's been reborn. Yes, we prayed about it. And now we're talking about the table lamp. Yes, let me tell you, I wish I would have had a nice rechargeable lamp. Yes, look at the base. The base is where you put it onto and you can take it off. And so this is the charging cord. Oh yeah, you just plug it in to USB and you're gonna take it off. That's right. And so that's the base charging port right here. It's like a small little needle, and it's magnetic, so it clamps down no matter what. Even if you put it on in the wrong direction or not square or flush, it's still gonna connect, which is awesome. And the charging time takes about an hour or 45 minutes to an hour, give or take. For me, it did because I have a different wall outlet or socket, which charges pretty fast. But if you have a regular wall socket that's maybe 110 volts, then it may take an hour and 15 minutes, an hour 20 minutes, give or take. So yes, see the little needle? It doesn't hurt. I'm just showing you guys it's a little needle, little boop, 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 boop. Yep, little pressy thingy. Yep, little springy, you know, thing. So it catches right here at the cylinder, and that's how you charge your lamp. Yep, right there. And the roundness is just the magnetic, and it connects to the base. That's right, it clamps down. Yep, see? But then if you wiggle kind of hard, it will come off. So don't have this dangling over your client's face or trying to take it off the charger and then all of a sudden it hits the floor and bangs up everything. No. Take it off the charger first. But it is pretty magnetic, it's pretty strong, but you want to take it off before you just snatch it. So the red light right here, the red indicator light, oh yeah, as you're seeing right here, I'm pointing to it, it's red. That means it's still charging. So I charged it for about, maybe right here, it was 18 minutes, possibly 20 minutes, but I just want to see how long it would take to charge. And I have a 220 wall outlet, and my wall socket powers pretty fast. So you just tap the button, it comes on, voila. Yeah, instant light. That's right. To make it brighter or lower, you're just gonna tap, turn it off. And so to bring it down, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna turn it on and then hold it. So it's tap and then tap again. It comes down. That's right. And then to come up, we just tap and hold again. Tap, hold. Yes, good to go. Good stuff. The makers of this lamp, they knew what they were doing. So yes, just in case, yeah, calm your client down, calm her down. The lights went out, tell her, hey, it's okay, we have light. And I don't know how many times I can tell you that, again, we're gonna brighten up the room or calm the room down. But many times lights have gone out in certain places as massage therapists, estheticians, yoga instructors, cosmetologists, whatever you're in, whatever building that you're in. You could just be a regular worker from somewhere. And yes, power does go out, and it's a scary moment sometimes. Weather storms, crazy. So you can have your moments. You dimming the light, or hell, let's just say, I think Tiffany talking to me, she said something. Okay, so she told me it was too bright, or too dark. I had to brighten it back up. There we go, Tiffany, we're good. So yeah. Sometimes your client might say it's too light. We need some brightness, bring it back up. So when you're carrying it around, yeah, you can see. That's right, you can see over the client's face, you're good to go. But yes, if those lights do go out, you have something that's rechargeable and that will always be charging. So you're good to go. Leave it on that charger. In that case of that emergency, it's lightweight. Oh yeah, put it right there next to them. Comfort them. Let them know everything's gonna be okay. That's right, God is amazing. So be prepared. So right here, I'm just showing you a top view of what I was doing to dim and brighten the light. So right here, I'm gonna lower the light. Oh yeah. And those lumens, there's 200 lumens, which is pretty bright, for a little smaller lamp, and which runs 3000 Kelvin. It's pretty warm. So from here, look, turning it down. You gotta hit the button. So see, I had my finger off the button, so there's the button. Yep. And so it went down. So let's go up. Let's go back up. Hey, my face got brighter. So that's how easy it is. It's just a little power button on top. You just tappy, just like your phone. We all got, cell phones right now. We just tap stuff. See the height? It's about a foot, maybe a little bit longer, but it's doable. Yes, lightweight. Kids can, they go to the bathroom. Mommy, daddy, I gotta go to the bathroom. Yeah, tell them, get that light. So what if all the power goes out? This is what I'm showing you right here. If everything goes out, and you don't have the light on, let's just say you have your regular light on, and all of a sudden, storm comes out of nowhere. Wicked Witch of the West is coming. And yeah, she's coming, trying to fuck up some stuff. Oh, sorry, cursing. Shh. Let's bring it down. So sorry. All right. So yes, you never know what's going to happen. That's all I'm saying. So right here, we might have crazy clients. Yeah, Tiffany, she looks a little crazy. We had somebody come through the door. That's all I'm pointing to. Some crazy guy comes through the door, some crazy woman, ex-boyfriend, girlfriend. What are we going to do? We got to pray about it. But let me show you, if all the lights go out, and if even for the most craziest of person who comes in, you can be ready. Oh, shh. Lights went out. Okay. Oh, thank God. The light, yes. The light is back on. Now remember, it went totally dark, so the lights are off. Except for the table lamp. The table lamp, yes, you can still do your facial services. You can still do your massage services. Because trust me, some clients don't want to get off the table. And I can attest to that many a times. We had snowstorms, 2010, Snowmageddon. We had, with the winter vortex. We've had some crazy winter weather in Maryland, DC, and Virginia, where power will go out constantly. And you still have to perform a facial or massage or yoga class, because clients do not want to get up. They don't care. They're not trying to reschedule. This is their me time. They don't care if the end of the world, zombies right outside the door. They want their service. Look, yeah, see, she still wanted her service. Tiffany wasn't getting up. She was having a little problem. She's like, no, we're going to finish this service or it's going to be problems. And I know what type of problems she can give. I've seen the movies, you know what I mean? Her and Chucky, they did kind of crazy things. So yeah, I had to give her a scalp massage and everything. Yep. So right, I can take the lamp. You're observing everything. You're making sure your surroundings are safe. You can have the client still use the bathroom. They can take the lamp with you. You just stay in the room. And now I know what you're saying. You can have your cell phone, and that has a light too. But hey, let's be honest. Most of us have our cell phone battery life on like E. Like really, seriously, it's like about to die. And so you want to take your lamp. Make sure you can move around freely if your cell phone dies. And that's all I'm showing here is like, yes, it's pretty bright. And even in a dark room, as you can see, it's pitch black once I turn the lights out, and you're about to see in just a moment. So you have to be aware. So right here, all I'm showing you is if you do have some sort of light, like a lightsaber. How many times are we gonna have a lightsaber in our treatment room? And hell, you gotta put it down and you cut off somebody's limb. Like, yeah, lightsaber is very dangerous. Man, you seen the movie Star Wars? Dang, the dude tried to touch one of the Jedis, cut the arm off. Like, man, good grief, lightsaber's crazy. But we're not all gonna have a lightsaber in the room. And there was one particular instance where I did a facial at a client's house, and it was actually in her son's room. Her son's room was actually bigger than the mom and dad's room, which I didn't understand. I mean, he was a big human anyway. He was like extra large for no reason. So we did the facial in there, and the only light we had, and that power did go out because they had like this crazy, party where they had all types of stuff plugged into the wrong outlets. And yeah, we used the lightsaber to basically find our way out. So what if you don't have a lightsaber? What if crazy people are at the door or something's crazy? And we don't even have access to a light. Sometimes you may have to protect yourself and have other means of light. If danger is imminent, oh yeah, you make sure that room is clear, make sure your client is safe. There could be parties, people fighting, acting crazy. That's when you want to put out all the lights in. Right, see how I scanned the room, just put the light on a little bit just to see that the room is safe, not giving away my position. Then I turn my light bright on, clearing the room safely. And I need to see the enemy, and so I can, do what I need to do. But just in case we don't run into those type of scenarios, thank God, we need our dinner lamp or table lamp. And so here, the thread is gone. We're good to go. Everything's peaceful again. So yeah, you're going out into the woods. Hell, this does not have to be an incident to where you're working on somebody's face. Yeah. You need to protect yourself even from the wooded area, going underground areas, or wherever you're working at, you're by yourself. You may need a light, trying to turn on the fuse box all in the dark. You've seen those scary movies. You've seen what happened to them people. I mean, I've seen body parts just coming off. I'm like, what the hell's going on? So yeah, make sure you take your lamp. Make sure you take something to protect yourself. So here, I'm just showing you guys, thank God we have something that's rechargeable. You got to protect yourself. That's all I'm showing you right here. Like, yes, even you, the life you save may be your own. And you need protection. This is no joke. These days, the world is crazy. And you need the light. Yeah, show them the light. I mean, muzzle light, if you can give it to them. You know what I mean? If you don't know, hey, protect yourself. All right, so now that you're secure, you gotta make sure crazy people aren't at your door. You're protecting your client no matter where you are. You're in the crazy wooded areas, because some of these clients are gonna have these services somewhere far off. Without light, you are in the dark. That's what I'm showing you right here. You need to know what your threat is, or even if it's not a threat, making sure that you're safe. It could be animal, it could be anything. So you do need to protect yourself. If you have pepper spray, that's one thing I'm showing you right here. Yep, pepper spray, that's okay. But some people may need, a blade to the sternum, chest, heart, all that good stuff. You've seen them, Freddy Krueger, Jason, Michael Myers movies. Yeah, them fools don't just go down with one type of weapon. So we can pray, make sure we're safe, and I will show you guys in other videos what you possibly should have on you to protect yourself for certain clients, especially light. And right here I'm demonstrating without light, without vision, your weapon, you're just shooting in the darkness. You're shooting into nothingness. So make sure you have a light. Make sure you are safe at all costs. And as a Marine, let me tell you, yeah, we use our moonbeam, which is AKA a light, for any situation that we can, or our MVG's night vision. Right now, they have some spectacular night vision. Don't get me wrong, good grief. But yes, from here, you need to protect yourself at all costs. Your clients have some sort of lighting, car light, something. But for here, we have our table light. And if it's at a fully charged light, it's going to turn green. And the specifications for it, you basically have a dinner light that's aluminum body, it's rechargeable, it has white warming light, and it's touch switch. And that's pretty much it. They have the sizes and the dimensions on the box, and it's basically how to use. It's self-explanatory. USB, charge it, turn it on, and you are good to go. I will leave all the links in the description below.